rising, fam. I trust all is well. You know what, fam? This February, I'm dropping a daily question about Black inventors. There are multiple choice. You will be given your question, and you will have 4 answers, A, B, C, and D. You will answer in the comment section. Just put the letter. Participate every day and get a free digital copy of Black patents. Blacks did it first. Knowledge is power. As you can see by the picture on the thumbnail, it's a beautiful book, and the information on the inside is just as beautiful. Purple is a powerful royalty color. The information in that book is powerful and it's royal, and you can have it free of charge. That's a savings of $19.99. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. Who was the first Black person to receive a U.S. patent? The first Black person to receive a U.S. patent, March 3rd, 1821. Was it A, George Washington Carver? Was it B, Sarah E. Good? Was it C, Thomas Jennings? Or was it D, Garrett Martin? Again, who were the first Black person in the United States of America to receive a patent? Was it A, George Washington Carver? Was it B, Sarah E. Good? Was it C, Thomas Jennings? Or was it D, Garrett Martin? You decide to come back for another day, February the 11th. I'm glad you did. I'm Lily Bell. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. Keep on churning till the butter comes. Be encouraged. Remember, every day is an opportunity to show up for knowledge and purpose. Answer the daily question in the comment. Just put the letter. And stay consistent all February. Everyone who participates daily will receive a free digital copy of Black patents. Blacks did it first during the first 2 weeks of March. That's when I will be sending them out. There's a link where you can go to Amazon and look at the beautiful, beautiful book. This giveaway is open worldwide. No purchase necessary. This giveaway is not sponsored or affiliated with YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any other social media platforms. Knowledge builds legacy. Be encouraged. I'm Lily Bell, and you keep on churning till the butter comes. Hey fam, you decided to participate in knowledge, learning, and winning. I'm glad you did it. Subscribe, comment, like, and share. Support our youth in any way you can. Keep on churning till the butter comes. Albert C. Richardson, a Black man, patent the butter churn U.S. patent number 446470, February 17th, 1891. I'm Lily Bell. I'm just trying to create a dialogue. I leave you with this. If they close my book, you remember my story. A Nat Turner Runner production. Lock and load. Lily Bell. Be encouraged.